Stop it, guys. Come on, we had a nice day.
Yo, nigga!
Nathan!
What?
Not appropriate. Your sister's in the car. I'm in the car. I do not want to hear this. Like,
Fox Chapel.
Yo, Bricks.
Fox Chapel.
Yo, Bricks.
Like 4 black people.
Bricks. Hold on, I want our money back. I want our money back.
I'll come back and get my car washed some other day.
There's like negative.
For free.
Yeah, I came here about 2 years ago, and I didn't get the
It's working!
looking for. Yeah. We're playing Speed Magic tonight. We're gonna put on the Super Fun plan, see if we can finish.
See if we can finish before it's over.
Yeah.
I wanted to see a fight. Joe, you should have fought that dude.
She's ready for the car. Now wash it.
You get on your hands and knees and wash the fucking car.
I just paid $3.50 for a car wash 2 years ago. What? $5? I just paid $5 and 7 times 5 is 35 cents for a car wash, right? I better get my damn car washed if someone's getting their ass done.
Joey, get him.
I don't think they tax on the car wash, do they?
Do they, Mom?
It's included in the...
If this was a phone too, how sick would this be?
That's why it's not, because it'd be too sick to be a real inanimate object.
Actually, it would be so hard to tax on, because you'd always be...
No, wouldn't you just text on it with these buttons? Just have like 7 buttons on.
No, like, look, Chris. Look, like, this would flip open all the way.
Yeah. That'd be sick.
Or like, bam, watch a movie.
There's actually a phone coming out and flip, and then once it flips open, it can flip open again. So 3 separate displays.